Shit. Yeah.
Heavy snow blanketed swath of northeastern China on Monday, shutting schools and halting transportation in the country's first substantial snowstorm of the season. Major highways in the city of Harbin, the capital of Heilongjiang province, were closed and flight cancelled. China's state broadcaster CCTV said grade school classes were cancelled Monday in parts of Heilongjiang as well as neighboring Liaoning and Inner Mongolian provinces. A gymnasium in Heilongjiang partially collapsed, trapping 3 people inside, CCTV reported late Monday. Though the cause was unclear, the National Meteorological Center said the snowfall is likely to break through historical record for the same period. Heavy snowstorms were expected to continue in part of Inner Mongolia, Heilongjiang, Jilin and Liaoning provinces, with the depth reaching 20 cm 8 inches in some places. CCTV footage showed trucks stranded bumper to bumper, stretching 1 km 0.6 mile outside Harbin.